How to add the submenu to Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how we can do so easily without any third-party applications or anything. So by default you're going to pretty much have a menu like this with only the main menu, but we want to add a submenu to this one. So in order to do so, we just need to click out of this and just go to our Shopify admin. So once we go to our Shopify admin dashboard here, we basically want to go to the navigation settings. Now it really depends because there's a new update that rolled out and it kind of changed where it is now, the settings for navigation. It used to be under online store and you just click on navigation under here somewhere. But for me now it's pretty much gone from here. But if it's for you in here, just click on navigation and just follow along. If not, you just need to go ahead and click on content. And then from content, you will find menus. Click on menus. And you should find the different menus that you actually have for your store. Now, by default, these are the ones that are available for my store. Now, you can either edit one of them or completely create a new one, which I will prefer to do. But before I do that, I will need to add a few pages just to make it work. Okay, so now that I have enough pages here to create a proper submenu, let's just go back to content, go back to menus and create a new one. So click on create menu. Here I'm just going to go ahead and give it a name. So I'm just going to name it submenu. And then here we can just start with the items. So basically what you want to do is add all the items necessary. So in my case, I'm just going to add the home page, just to have it in there. And then we can just go ahead and add main one. So this is going to be the main subject or product for the submenu basically. And then we can just go ahead and link it to anything. So we can just go ahead and link it to a collection, all collections here, for example. And then we can just go ahead and start adding items below it. So we can just go ahead and hide it like so. Click on add menu item. And then we are just going to add sub one with the page that I created, which is called sub one. And then I'm just going to add the other ones as well. So let's just go ahead and add them. So page number 2. And then let's just do sub 3 and pages, link it to the proper page, which is sub 3. There is 4, but I'm not going to do it right now. Now, in order to have them as a submenu, you just want to go ahead and drag and drop them right below the main one, but to the right. So you can see the line here. You can see if you go to the left, and then if you go to the right. So you want it to be below the main one, but to the right. And once it drops in here, you just want it to basically repeat the same thing again. Just make sure it is below the main one, like so. And then we can also reorganize them separately here. So let's just hide that. There you go, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, something is, they're not at the same level here. So let me just go ahead and just drag them and make sure they're all the same level, like so. There you go. So now we have main one with 3 different sub menus. We can just go ahead and repeat the process with main 2. And we can just go and click on save for the time being instead of having it to do it again. But you get the idea. You just want to create main 2 with 3 different pages below it or more. It's completely up to you. And now we just want to go to online store, go to themes, go to our theme here, and replace the original menu with this new one. And to do so is very simple. Click on header and just go to the menu here, click on it and click on replace. And replace it with the new one that we just created. Click on save and we can actually view it now. It's going to look like this. So we have the main one with 3 different subs, and we can also create multiple different ones. Well, each is going to have a drop down sub menu. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.